Hi everyone, today we're going to be making a fruit and veggie smoothie. I had a viewer that was telling me that she had a 2-year-old daughter that didn't get the recommended daily amount of fruits and vegetables. And she was kind of concerned about that. But she does love smoothies. So she figured if she could get her to have a fruit and veggie smoothie, that would help with the daily recommended amount. So Danielle, this one's for you. So originally this is supposed to be a low-calorie smoothie, but I didn't have all of the right ingredients, so mine's going to be a little bit more than low-calorie. So what do you need for this fruit and veggie smoothie? 4 cups of fresh baby spinach and 1/2 cup kale. And if you can't find kale or you don't like kale, add another 1/2 cup of spinach. And I couldn't find any kale. 1 cup frozen berries. 1 cup non-fat plain yogurt. This is plain, but it's not non-fat. 1 cup unsweetened frozen strawberries. 1 small fresh banana. 1/2 cup frozen blueberries. 1 cup water. 1 tablespoon whole ground flaxseed or chia seeds. And then it calls for 1 tablespoon Truvia or your favorite sweetener. And I didn't have any Truvia. I did have stevia, but stevia you use a lot less and I couldn't find the conversion. So I'm going to go ahead and just use sugar. So I'm going to use 1/4 cup sugar. So let's begin. So first you're going to go ahead and add the 1 cup non-fat yogurt, which mine has like about 6 grams of fat in it. The 4 cups of spinach. Yeah, I was really going to buy the kale, but they didn't have any. So I'll just do the 4.5 cups of spinach. There's 2, 3, 4.5. Go ahead and put the lid on it. Turn the power on, and you're going to want to blend it until the spinach leaves are all chopped up. So I went ahead, after I chopped it up a little bit, I went ahead and added the 1 cup water. And you can add the water at the beginning when you add the yogurt and the spinach, but I just wanted it chopped down just a little bit before I added the water. Put the lid back on and start it again. And after it is chopped up fairly well, we'll go ahead and add the rest of the ingredients. So we'll add the 1 cup mixed frozen berries, 1 cup of frozen strawberries. These are supposed to be unsweetened, and I'm assuming they are. It didn't say on the package. The 1 small banana, and I'm just going to kind of break them up in little bit chunks here. 1/2 cup blueberries. 1/4 cup sugar, which is equivalent to 1 tablespoon plus 2 teaspoons of Truvia. And 1 tablespoon chia seeds. Okay, put the lid back on and then just go and blend it until it is the smoothness that you like. Alright, so here is the fruit and veggie smoothie. Let's go give it a taste test. Alright, so let's give it a taste test. I'm not a big fan. I can taste the spinach in it. So if you're trying to get a 2-year-old to drink it, maybe you want to not use quite as much spinach. It's not awful, but yeah, it just has too much of a spinach taste for me. If I made this again, I would either add a little bit more sugar, which is not good for a 2-year-old, or I would definitely use less spinach. Well, there you go, Danielle. I hope you can get your 2-year-old to drink that. Please let me know in the comments below. And if you modified it by using less spinach or whatever, please let me know. Cheers. Final thoughts. If you are health conscious, then this one might be good for you. If you like spinach, this would be good for you. Just make sure that you do it the low-calorie version, non-fat yogurt, unsweetened berries, and Truvia or other artificial sweeteners. Then that way it'll be a low-calorie, healthy smoothie for you. With that being said, for little kids, the way it is made, I don't think would be good for them, unless they like spinach. If they don't like the vegetables, this would be hard for them to drink. My recommendations for that would be either omit the vegetables altogether and just have a fruit smoothie. At least you'll get your kids to get your fruit recommendations. Or you can try adding less spinach. That way it won't be as strong as a flavor. But as I was drinking it, I got used to it a little bit more. I mean, I could probably have drank the whole thing and not mind it so bad. But with little kids, once they take one drink and don't like it, they're not going to want any more. So if you try this, let me know in the comments below if you modified it and what you did to modify it, or if you tried it the way it is, or the low-calorie version and liked it. Have a good day.
Recipe deals for easy meals. Please like, subscribe, and share. This is Cooking with Sherry. Until we meet again.